So I just got a package from Rainbow Resources and I wanted to open it up with you guys. These are some fun new things that we're adding to our homeschool this year. I want you guys to see what they are. Okay, so the first thing we've got in here is the Christian Liberty Nature Reader Book 5. Now, I heard about these from my friend Megan over at Pennies and Salt, and she just rants and raves about these Christian Liberty Nature Readers and just how like they do such a good job at with nature. They do such a good job with science and all the different things. And so pretty much you read a passage about coral reefs, for example, and then you ask some review questions. Now, my son, this book 5 is for my oldest, and so he will be reading there's a bunch of different things, you know. There's Earth's hydrosphere, and hold on, let me go to the table of contents. Okay, so we've got bony fish and cetacea and vicious fishes and ocean life and all the things, okay? And so crabs and sponges and worms and lobsters and shrimps and all the things. And so he'll read facts about them, and then I'll ask him some review questions. So it's just a great add in to our science, just to make sure that their science is well-rounded. Just a fun little reading version. My son is very literature based in the sense that he loves to read, and so this is just something in addition something additional for him to read that is very academic and rich. So I got book 5. I also got book 4, book 2, the kindergarten one, and book 3 should be in here too. And book 3, hold on, here we go. Can you see that? And book 3 and book 1. Okay, so I got kindergarten through book 5, which I think is all of their books. Like I said, the 5th grade one is going to be for my oldest. The kindergarten one is going to be for my kindergartner and my preschooler. So I'm going to be reading to them and then asking them some questions. And then the 3rd grade one is going to be for my 3rd grader. And then the other 2 I just got because I'm like, you know, when my kindergartner goes into 1st grade, I already have book 1 and book 2 and book 4, and it came in a pack. It came in a group, so I just grabbed the whole pack. It was less expensive for the pack, so got all the nature readers. Now, because I am not a nature guru, unfortunately, I wish I was, but I still have a lot to learn, and I'm probably going to be learning right alongside them as they read through these. But because I'm not a nature guru, I went ahead and got the answer keys to the questions. And so it's sad. I know it's sad. But I went ahead and got the answer keys to the questions that they have in there. I only got book 3, book 5, book 4. I didn't get, because I figured I should be able to do kindergarten to at least like 2nd grade, right? I should be fine when it comes to science from kindergarten to 2nd grade. So I only got the upper levels of the answer keys. So only 3rd to 5th. If not, I have no shame. I will get the other answer keys too. I've got zero shame. The other sciencey thing that I wanted to grab was I got the Bernstein Bears, the big book of science and nature, and I grabbed this for my my kindergartner and my preschooler, and it's just like a very cute, fun science book for the kiddos that I will be reading to them for science as well. I decided to incorporate a little more science into the younger years for them. Very literature based, very much reading and exploring and all the different things. Now, for my 3rd grader, she is going to be doing the level 3 sunlight readers. And I decided that pretty last minute. So I grabbed a couple of the readers that were not available at our library or that I didn't already have. So we got Viking Adventure. Viking Adventure. Riding the Pony Express. Now, this book was very hard to find. I could only find it on Rainbow Resources. But Riding the Pony Express. Brave Kids, True Stories of America's Past by Cora Freire. Or not by Cora Freire. No, okay. Brave Kids, True Stories from America's Past. Cora Freire. A Question of Yams, a missionary story based on true events. Got that. Tornado. My daughter's gonna love this because she loves dogs, so it's gonna be so much fun for her. And this, we have my sister's dog is a lab, so. Jake Drake, Bully Buster. Hope you can see that. Tippy Lemmy, Tippy Lemmy, or Tippy Lemmy. The Paintbrush Kid. Sorry about the glare. The Secret Valley. This was also a really hard one to find. I don't know if you can see that. The Secret Valley. Wow, the glare is like insane. Okay, here we go. The Secret Valley. And that's it. Now, in addition to that, so we got these fact books by Kate Snow, and it's supposed to be like in 15 minutes a day of just practice. That it's like a supplement to your homeschool day. And so in 15 minutes a day, it's a lot of hands-on practice. Your kids are supposed to have their facts memorized. It's supposed to help them memorize their facts. And so it uses a lot of like memorization and hands-on activities and games, and there's like little practice pages and stuff like that. But I got the subtraction facts that stick and help your child master the subtraction facts for good in just 8 weeks. So I got that. I got the multiplication facts that stick. Same concept, 15 minutes a day of practice, except this one is for 10 weeks. That'll be for my oldest. And then the division facts that stick, 15 minutes a day as well. This one is 10 weeks as well. Division. That'll be for my oldest as well. And last, at the bottom of the box, addition facts that stick. So, and this one is for 6 weeks. And that will be for my youngest. Thank you so much for watching. You can let me know if you want to see a flip through of any of these. Maybe I can do a quick flip through on Instagram or something like that. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And until next time, bye y'all.